Watch this. Look what he's doing.
Where's she at?
Well, he's on the tree, and he was messing with the wires. I think he's just gonna jump. Here we go. Ready, folks? Oh, shoot. Hang on there, buddy. You can't get anything anyway because the doors are closed. He's still going. He's still going. Uh-oh, it stopped.
It's not going fast enough. I think the batteries are getting tired.
I guess. That was pretty cool.
There comes a bird that got on it.
This birdie's saying, there's nothing to it. You just get on and you eat.
Did you have a second cup of tea?